Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and your finger. Make sure your iPhone 6 has a clean home button and that your finger is dry, dirt or moisture interferes with the sensor. Once ready, unlock the phone and open Settings, then tap Touch ID and passcode. You'll be asked to enter your passcode to proceed. This step both authenticates you and unlocks the Touch ID setup. Make sure to keep the phone steady as you move to the next phase. You now enroll your fingerprint by tapping Add a Fingerprint. Place the pad of the chosen finger on the home button without pressing. You'll feel a vibration as the iPhone reads. Lift and rest the finger repeatedly, shifting angle and position slightly each time. This trains the sensor on edges and center. Make sure to cover different parts of the pad so the phone recognizes the print from multiple orientations. Once the progress graphic fills, you'll move on to finalize additional capture steps. You finish by assigning the new fingerprint to the functions you want, iPhone unlock and optionally iTunes and App Store, then tap Done. Test it immediately. Lock the phone and rest the same finger on the home button to unlock. If it fails, make sure the home button and finger are clean, then re-enroll that finger. Sometimes 2 or 3 enrollments of the same finger at different angles helps. If problems persist, reset Touch ID and start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.